Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Midjourney Alternative Free, your go-to AI art generator platform. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, I will be showing you this platform that will completely be your go-to platform if you don't want or if you can't access your Midjourney. Now, if you don't know, Midjourney is now currently being paid, and you can't really use it as much as before because you will be required to have a subscription to continue using it. So that's why we are creating this video to show you an amazing platform that is potentially better than Midjourney because of its free features and the amazing ability to create amazing outputs, as you can see here on their gallery. As you can see, there's a lot of different images over here that are amazing, and we will explore them in today's video. Now, if you don't believe all of this gallery over here, if you don't believe that Leonardo is capable of producing such output, I will also try to duplicate the different outputs over here and show them to you that Leonardo is indeed capable of producing all of these images that you are seeing right now. And a lot of these images are super unique. They have their own style, they have a realistic style, they have their own ability or their own uniqueness to each of this generation, as you can see here. And this just shows the ability of Leonardo, the amount of styles, the range of its capability. So you don't have to worry about producing bad results, except of course if you use bad prompts. You will have to expect that you will create the bad results. But anyway, let's get started. To get started with Leonardo, you're simply going to access their platform in leonardo.ai. You have to add the app.leonardo over here. This is their URL over here on the top. And over here on the left side, you're going to see that there are different tools for you to use. You have the AI image generator, the AI canvas, and texture generator. The canvas and texture generator are currently still in beta and alpha, so we won't be demonstrating that. We will be demonstrating the main one, which is our classic AI image generator. So simply open this. And then over here, as you can see, this is where we will be able to enter our different prompts and get our different results. As you can see, I have already generated a fair amount of outputs before, and I have experimented with it. I have tried different ways of the different settings and many more. So let's get right into it. Now, if you don't know, in Leonardo, of course, it has a lot of capabilities. So it wouldn't be surprising if there is one or two limitation. And one of the limitation is the system of coins over here, as you can see. Right now, you are allowed 150 coins limited per day. And each generation, depending on your setting, will take a certain amount of coins from you, as you can see here. And with the settings that I have right now, it will take 20 coins from me per generation. And that's because there is a lot of settings that I have enabled that would allow me to produce amazing results, such as alchemy over here. So if I disabled alchemy, the price would get lower. As you can see, the coin will now only cost 8 coins for me to generate. And although I don't really need alchemy, I am capable of producing amazing results even without the alchemy feature. And we have the something called prop magic over here that would help us improve it as well. If you click on version, go to version 3 over here and click on save, so that we have the highest possible rating or the highest possible chance to produce amazing outputs while still saving our coins. Although for the version 3, you will have to enable the alchemy over here. But anyway, let's enable this for now for our generation in today's video. Scrolling down, you have your image dimensions, which is basically the aspect ratio of your videos or your photos. And you could change them. As you can see here, you have 1 by 1, 2 by 3, 3 by 2. As you can see, you have 16 by 9 and 9 by 16 over here. I could set it to 9 by 16 so that we have a portrait of our image. Then you have your guidance scale over here, and you have your image to image and image prop over here. You could utilize these features as well. And depending on your prop, like I mentioned earlier, the more expensive it will be. There's also such thing as a model in Leonardo. You have the freedom to choose the type of model or the version that you would like to generate with. If you click on select custom model over here, you will be able to see your model, favorite models, platform models over here. Platform models are models created by Leonardo, as you can see. These are the main models. You have the 3D animation style, which would allow you to create 3D outputs. You have the SDXL, the latest Stable Diffusion model. You have RPG version 5, which has a specialized RPG characters of all kinds. You have Photoreal, which is the realistic model, which will allow you to produce realistic outputs. Then you have your Dream Shaper 7, which has a lot or has a great range of different styles. You have Absolute Reality, similarly with Photoreal, Anime Pastel Dream, and many more. The oldest are the one in the bottom over here, which are very old models. There's also community models created by other users aside from you, and you could utilize their models as well. You can see here. So let's scroll up, click on platform models, then simply select the one that you like. For us, let's go with Dream Shaper 7. So we have a wide range of capabilities. There we go. And simply put in your prompt over here. You are also able to add a negative prompt over here if you don't want to see something in your image. So let's settle down with our normal prompt over here. With our normal prompt, let's go with something very simple. Let's say a burger on a dining plate being served after being grilled fresh. Now, this is just a random prompt. You could create better prompts than what I just did. This is just something I got out of my head. But the better details or the more details your prompt has, the better output you will be able to produce. So you don't have to worry about producing shitty or bad outputs as long as your prompts are very good and as long as your prompt has enough details. Although Leonardo is also still capable of producing outputs without the need of having a long output. Now, while this is generating, let's go look for a photo in gallery that we would like to duplicate. Like I mentioned earlier, we will try to duplicate one of this top photos over here to show you that it is fully capable of creating these outputs. This one is used with Photoreal as its model. I can't use that because that is for a paid version. So I will look for something else, or we could still try to recreate it, but using our own model. But as you can see here, very realistic image. We have your burger and freshly being pieced together, as you can see here. Very good output. Then let's do it again. This time with the output over here. Click on generate, and we have this. So let's look for one last one that I would like to try and recreate. And let's look for something a bit harder to produce normally, something hard that would take us a while to produce if we are to do it normally. For example, this one over here. I could copy this prompt. This was used by Absolute Reality. So I'm going to change this to Absolute Reality, put it over here, add a negative prompt, copy our negative prompt over here, paste it on our own negative prompt, and simply click on generate. There we go. Now, and there we go. We have this one over here. Very abstract, very high in details output. We were able to create it with our own model, and it has a lot of potential. You can see the amount of potential that Leonardo possesses, so you don't have to worry about creating bad outputs, as you can see here. And while waiting for this one, you could explore our different photos over here. Like we saw earlier, Leonardo is capable of creating a wide range of different outputs, as you can see here. Let's go check out the top or the best of the best that have been created before. As you can see, this is the top one. We have this super realistic output over here, a face output. As you can see, close up, you have this person as well. You have this art over here off a wall. Then you have many more over here. These are the top of the generations. You have this ship in a bottle over here. You have many more outputs. Most of this are like designs, like a sticker or a logo or something or a character. Like this one over here looks very nice. And there's a lot of different styles over here. You can do this, that what I'm doing right now, where I'm going to copy the prompts, and you could copy the prompt, try to recreate it, change different parts of the prompt so you could make it unique, and you will be able to produce amazing outputs using the same style, but with your own elements or with your own preference. So let's check it out, and there we go. We were able to produce realistic image, as you can see here. Very nice output. And that's basically it, guys. That is the alternative, or your alternative to Midjourney if you can't afford Midjourney. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.